BlueJeans app. The pros, the cons. BlueJeans app is a versatile video conferencing solution, but most people get this wrong. It's built for enterprise-level collaboration, not just casual meetings. On the pros side, BlueJeans offers high-definition video and OB voice audio for crystal-clear communication. It supports up to 200 participants in standard meetings and up to 15, 0 in webinar mode, making it suitable for large-scale events. The platform includes features like screen sharing, meeting recording, automated transcripts, and real-time collaboration tools. Integration with tools like Slack, Microsoft Teams, and Google Calendar streamlines workflows, and security features such as encryption and meeting locks protect sensitive discussions. On the cons side, some users find BlueJeans' interface less intuitive, especially when scheduling or hosting large webinars. Mobile performance can occasionally lag, and advanced analytics or enterprise features require premium subscriptions. For smaller teams, the extensive features might feel unnecessary and increase costs. In conclusion, BlueJeans app is ideal for organizations that need secure, high-quality video conferencing and robust webinar capabilities. While it may have a learning curve and higher costs for full features, its clarity, scale, and integrations make it a strong choice for enterprises aiming to improve virtual collaboration and professional communication.